Welcome to my channel, guys. In today's video I'd like to show you how I'm able to revamp this wig. I want to just quickly wash it. It doesn't look dirty now, but you're going to see what's going to come out of this. So with my bowl, and then I put my hot water. I also mixed it with a cold water to make the water warm. Already I've mixed it here. Then I put my Tresemme shampoo into it. I'll leave everything in the description box so you can see the product that I used in washing the hair. So I just put my weave on into it. Like, I left it for some time though, but you can see the color. You can see the way the color just immediately, the moment I put it to the hot water, dirt just came out of it. Like, the wig was very dirty, so I had to wash. But please mind you, when you are washing, you are not like scrubbing or anything, just basically drawing the water out of the hair, just touching the net softly, and I applied, and I did like 3 times. I had to wash it almost like 3 times. I'm still doing the same thing again, going through the process over and over again. I applied some shampoo on the net because the closure part was really dirty. As you can see the way I'm just bringing out the dirt from it. So I did this over and over, so I had to rinse it. When I was done, I rinsed it, and I noticed that dirt was still coming out, so I rinsed it very well, and I applied my conditioner. It's still the same Tresemme, but this is like coil, so I had to apply it all over the body. Please, when you are doing this, don't be stingy with your conditioner. Like, be very generous with it. Just apply it all over the body. I rub it all over the whole place. I made sure I apply it to every part of the hair. So look at, you can see how I'm just applying it, like making sure that it reaches all parts of the hair. So when you're doing this, make sure you do the same. Apply it round the hair. So after that, I massage it very well, make sure it touched all parts. So I had to drop it for some time. I kept it for some time. Then I comb the hair out. I had to comb the hair. Make sure you comb it. Like, I'm trying to like tangle. Please, if it was still kind of too tight, like you have some tangling, don't force it. Just comb the part I know that is pulling through. Just comb it easily, softly, gently. Don't force it so that you will not like cut your weave on. So when I was done, I just dropped it and I put it inside a nylon bag. You put it into any nylon bag of your choice. So I just put it into here. You can also put it in a hot place, but I just kept it in my bowl for some time, up to like 30 minutes before I removed it from the nylon. I had to rinse it to wash out the conditioner from it. So if you just look at the hair, like, I saw a difference because of the conditioner. Like, okay, the water too is no longer dirty like it was before, and then I noticed that okay, the hair is now clean. And then I had to rinse all the conditioner out of the body, and you can see how the hair is looking. Like, it came out very soft, like really soft. So I had to pour the water away and rinse the whole conditioner out of the body. When I was done rinsing it, I spread it. I didn't use the towel, I just dried out the water like this. And before I spread it, I applied a leave-in conditioner on it before I spread it direct under the sunlight. I did not use a hand dryer to blow dry it or anything. I just kept it under the sun and it dried out. So this is what it looks like. It turned out really soft. It came out really nice. So this is what it looks like. And I also have my argan oil, which I'm going to apply later to it when I'm styling and all of that. But this is what the vlog came out to look like. So if you haven't subscribed up to this point, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a nice comment. See you in my next video.